The 2022 Brother Hackathon Challenge was to implement an app using CRM and the Brother 1110 NWB printer. Our app is MyCareDetails, which will implement a home health care agency's Fresh Desk CRM platform. This is Mary. She has dementia. This is Philip. He is Mary's husband of 55 years and Mary's primary caregiver. And a home health care aide has been coming in to help Philip care for Mary. Then Philip got very, very sick and was admitted to the hospital. Family came and stayed with Mary while Philip was in the hospital. During this time, they learned there was issues with the home health care aides. The aides didn't know anything about Mary, and the aides need guidance either by a list of to-do items or someone constantly telling them what to do next. Without this, the aides wouldn't clean, cook, or do anything. They would opt to sit and play on their phone until they received guidance from Mary or the family. Mary would become very confused because she knew things needed to be done, or she wanted something, but she can't always communicate her wants or her needs. In order for Mary to be able to remain in her home, which is her wish, the aides will have to help Mary do the things she can no longer do, such as make sure every day Mary takes her medication and assist her with personal hygiene. The aide will need to be her assistant, keeping up with appointments and events, be her driver, taking her wherever she wants to go or needs to go. Keep her active by encouraging reading, games, hobbies, and exercise. The aides must cook and clean for her also. How can the family members near and far monitor and help provide guidance to the home health care aides? MyCareDetails is the answer. MyCareDetails provides constant contact with the caregiver family members to the healthcare agency and the aide. Now, with MyCareDetails, Mary can receive the care she needs and deserves. Simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. This is a communication prior to MyCareDetails. This is a communication channels after MyCareDetails. This is an easy one-document solution for the family members, and everything else will fall into place. Brother, this is where you'll be most interested. The solution requires lots of printing, and of using a variety of Brother devices would be ideal.
Let me show you how it works. When the aide arrives at the house, the first thing she must do is check in. They can manually enter their name or select their name from the list and press the check-in button. This will not only log who is the aide and what time they arrived, but it'll also print a to-do list and the schedule for the week. The biography page is all about knowing your patient. It provides a detailed list of their likes, dislikes, allergies, and things to know about them, such as an activity list to get them out of the house and conversational topics. Schedule events. This will keep track of Mary's doctor's appointments, dentist appointments, social events, and if the event is not on the calendar, the aide has the ability to create the event. This will keep the entire family informed. You also have the ability to view appointments and print appointments. The aide also has a list of all the medicine that Mary is taking. If it's not there, she can add it. She's going to the doctor, she can print it. She needs detailed information, she can click on it and review it. It has what the medicine's for, the description, the instructions, the pharmacy, the doctor, all the information is there. Contacts. In the event that the aide needs to contact somebody, it's just a click away. The aide has the ability to call the primary contact, the secondary contact, and if it's an emergency, call 911. The aide also has the ability to press to dial their doctors, hospitals, any important emergency, as well as print the contact list. For non-emergency situations, thoughts, questions, concern, the aide can text the family, as well as print the text messages. With the help of the aide, Mary can send and receive audio messages to the family. Check 1, 2, 3. Check 1, 2, 3. Also help with the aide, Mary can send and receive video messages to the family. Thank you, brother. Thank you, brother. When it's time to go home, the aide will need to check out. She'll mark all the tasks that she's completed and indicate that she's going home. This provides valuable information to the family, knowing when she arrived and when she left. This application can be compiled to run on 7 different platforms, all controlled by one Excel spreadsheet. Google Sheets. Safe, secure, HIPAA compliant.
Simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. MyCareDetails provides a one-document solution and is a seamless communication device between all family caregivers, the home health agency, and the aide.